How to request a copy of a divorce decree.
If you need a copy of your divorce decree, the process for obtaining one will depend on where the divorce was granted. Generally, you will need to follow these steps.
Determine where the divorce was granted.
Before you can request a copy of your divorce decree, you will need to determine which court granted the divorce. This is usually the court in the county where you or your ex-spouse lived at the time of the divorce.
Contact the court.
Once you have determined which court granted the divorce, you will need to contact that court to request a copy of the divorce decree. Be sure to check the court's website or call ahead to find out the court's procedures for requesting copies of documents. Some courts may require you to submit your request in writing or in person, while others may allow you to request a copy online or by phone.
Provide identification and payment.
When you request a copy of your divorce decree, you will typically need to provide some form of identification, such as a driver's license or passport. You will also need to pay a fee, which varies by court. Be sure to ask the court about the fee and the acceptable forms of payment.
Wait for the copy.
Once you have made your request and provided identification and payment, you will need to wait for the court to process your request and provide you with a copy of the divorce decree. The amount of time this takes will vary depending on the court's procedures and workload. Be sure to ask the court about the expected processing time.
Consider hiring an attorney.
If you are having trouble locating your divorce decree or navigating the process for obtaining a copy, you may want to consider hiring an attorney to assist you. An attorney who specializes in family law can help you locate your divorce decree and guide you through the process of requesting a copy. Requesting a copy of a divorce decree may seem like a daunting task, but it is usually a straightforward process. By determining where the divorce was granted, contacting the court, providing identification and payment, and waiting for the copy, you can obtain the document you need to move forward. If you need assistance, consider hiring an attorney who can help you navigate the process with ease.